Did anything happen?
No. I'm just tired.
Okay. In that case, let me go behind primary school and see if there is any ripe palm fruit. No? Gambiakwa.
Close your eyes.
Close my eyes? I should close my eyes.
Yes, close your
eyes. Okay. Eyes closed.
Very tight.
Tighter.
You can open now.
Engagement ring.
Yes. Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes. I love you.
I love you too. I love you too. See, I want us to get married once I'm done with the building project. Is that okay?
Yes. I love you. I love you.
I love you.
You're really thirsty.
I needed that water.
Thank you, hey, my friend, my bestie. How is your husband?
What did you say? Your husband? Which husband? Seems you are still swimming in the ocean. My dear, I am no longer married.
Chukwa, it's a lie. How? What happened?
No, look at me now. Am I not looking better? That marriage almost frustrated life out of me. My dear, I was tired. I had to leave that marriage and back to my father's house.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm so sorry.
You don't need to apologize. I'm okay. I'm doing fine. Ne, that marriage wasn't easy.
Hi.
I somewhere.
I know.
So I'm talking to you right now. If I see a new man, a new husband, I fly. I am looking for a new husband. Ne, that should be your next prayer point for me. I forgot to ask. How is he, Kenga?
Mike! He's fine. And guess what? You know I hate guessing. Just go straight to the point. Oh, just try small.
I can't guess. Just tell me. What is it?
How do I even announce it to you?
This one you have to prepare yourself.
Well, he has proposed.
He proposed to me. Chineke. He did what?
Proposed to me. And we are getting married as soon as he's done with his building projects.
Hey, congratulations!
Thank you, my friend.
Honey, you are so lucky.
Oh, yeah.
Hey!
He got taste. Good taste, you know.
Fighting carrots. Hey, you are so lucky.
Thank you, my love.
Congrats. I have to go now.
Why? Why so soon?
I just remember that I was going somewhere. I was even supposed to drop something with someone. Oh, but not to worry, eh? I will come next time so that we can celebrate. Oh?
Okay.
Hey, let me see the ring again. Hey, now na chakwa. This is that.
I've been staring at it.
No, let me go. Oh.
Okay, my regards to your mother. Oh.
I will.
I feel like the only girl in the world.
Hey, I tap into your glory.
Amen.
Come and walk.
You are the chief bridesmaid now. You're back already?
Yes. Where is Mama?
She's inside.
Okay. I could not get the things she asked me to buy for her from the market.
Why?
The woman did not come out.
Hey.
Ada. I said this before, but you did not believe me.
What is it?
I saw Chioma and Kenga again today. Ada, believe it or not, Chioma, your friend, is having an affair with Kenga.
Why did you say that?
On my way back from the market today, I saw them. And from the way they were standing and holding each other, made me understand they have a deep connection. Deeper than you think, Ada. Okay? Adire rifonye mwaya. Do something about it before it gets late.
No way. Never. Choma cannot do a thing like that to me. Besides, I trust the Kenga. He cannot betray me like that. Who is there? Choma! 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 Please come outside.
Adobe! My love, let's go inside.
I've come to see you. No, thank you. I've come to see you.
No, this you have come to see you is not sounding good. Is everything okay?
Choma, what is this I'm hearing?
What are you hearing?
No, listen. I've made my inquiries and I figured out that you've been secretly having an affair with my man, my Kenga. And I'm like, why? Are you not supposed to be my best friend again? Why would you do that? So, what did I do?
Wait. So because I'm your best friend, that is why you carried your two left legs and left your father's house this hot afternoon to come and question me? No, I don't understand. Is that why you're here?
Choma, the message is very clear. Leave Kenga alone. Yes, leave him alone. I am not the reason you left your husband's house. I didn't chase you out of your husband's house.
Pick up! Nobi, listen. I will take anything from you, but certainly not the silly insult you're giving to me. How dare you?
Choma, it's very simple. Leave Kenga alone. He's my man. I won't have to come here to repeat myself.
No.
Leave my man alone.
In a new message, CNN. Did I use rope to tie him? Did I tie him to my waist? I should leave Kenga for you. If you know the thing you are not doing right, go and learn it. Look at this mad woman coming to my father's house to threaten me. I should leave Kenga alone. Mad woman. As if I used rope to tie him to my waist. It's yours.
Ada, what is it? Why are you crying?
Nothing. I'm fine.
How can you say nothing while you are shedding tears? I hope it is not because of Chioma and Kenga. Ada, I've told you to let these things go. Put them beside you and move on with your life. Please.
It's not easy to mend a broken heart.
I know. But you cannot go on like this, crying every day of your life. Just because of two idiots that does not know you cry. Please, you have to stop this.
But each time, I remember what my supposed best friend did to me. I feel this strong bitterness inside of me.
Ada, I understand how you feel. But you have to stop crying. Crying will not solve this. Please. Biko.
Please, I want us to settle this matter amongst us. But it's not good for two brothers to be at war with each other.
Ichionweze, you are very correct. Lutana, I want you to tell us here your grievance against your brother Kenga.
There is no need for long stories. I will just go straight to the point. I sent Kenga 600 million naira for establishments. First, to build a house for me. A duplex, which I sent him the plan. Secondly, a factory. Thirdly, a poultry farm that is going to contain large number of birds. Also, to secure land for me in Lagos, which he sent me the picture of the land. I saw it and I liked it. I said, fine, we can secure it. If not for anything, we could, build a hotel or anything there. And after that, I sent Kenga extra 80 million naira for keeps to save for me. In case when I return, at least money I will, use to fall back on. After 1 week of doing all these transactions, I had a problem. Unfortunately, that problem led to me being jailed for so many years. Now, Neziebo BC Tadis man Mili. I had that problem and I called my brother, Onyem Polo, my blood. See, one ne. Onwe kosi dealing okay. I'm encountering problems. Can you at least send me 1 million naira from my own money I sent to him? Oh, not his own money, my own money. Can you send me at least 1 million naira to use and sort myself out in prison? Boy, first one, or sim, I should call him back tomorrow. I called him again and again. The next thing, he blocked my number. I had to send Chijoke, my friend. Chijoke, go to his house. Show him evidence that I lack freedom. Chijoke went to his house according to him. That he told him never to return to his house again. That he's going to arrest him. He said, my own brother. My own brother.
Chinweze, Biko. With due respect, I don't know what this stupid boy is talking about.
He can't shut up and allow him to talk. Allow him to finish his story.
Allow him to finish what? Finish what? Which stupid story? Huh? I cannot sit down here and watch this stupid boy insult me. It's not possible. If he says he gave me 600 million naira, then let him provide the evidence. If he can't produce the evidence, I'll go more.
Kenga. I'm working a kulo kuko eno lawo. Eh? I'm working a kulo kuko eno lawo. Eh? Out of way, Kenga. I'm working a kulo kuko eno lawo. Mba wa come for now. Piata ya come for now. Go, let me watch you.
Listen to me. Inyam sobundabega bi kwasi no. Inodo de enjuo.
Tama kwa mebe chipugo no si mewuria. Kengi mewuria. Onyori kebo. You a thief. Egom kija ija azubiego. Ija afuntalata wanta azubiego. Ija afuntalata azubiego.
Uncle Nania. Huh? Sister, you hear him? You see this stupid boy insulting me? While this boy was in prison, I kept on sending him money. Almost every week, and with evidence. I kept on sending him money. He will call me on the phone and say, I want to cool down. Don't worry, I'm your brother. Name why I go. I have evidence. He laid the whole money and you're talking nonsense.
You're a big liar. You are a big... You can't get flager. Illegal. Is it that you die or I die? Is it that I kill you or I kill myself? Hey.
Just tell him. The whole world will bear me witness.
Is it that you die or I die?
God in heaven will judge you.
Here they him that money. You provide all the time I sent to you. All the time. He get him that money. Egom kids are too Piego. Ichego ma too Piego. Ichego ma so title. But can't the tough want that money. He got Fuanya.
About one kobo he did not have. Every day he would call me. It got to a point I was feeling his pain. Every night in there, back my brother. I kept on sending this idiot money. There, he will kill me. I don't blame you. God in heaven will judge you. Judge that stupid boy. I don't. Idiot.
Please, you should do something. My brothers cannot kill themselves.
Is that not what we are doing?
Something about it.
That's why we are doing it. It's the thing we are doing now. But you can see, you can't really tell who is saying this.
I know them both. I know them both. Lutana cannot lie to me. I know Kenga very well. I know what he can do.
But there is no evidence. We see evidence.
You can still do something.
We will. That's what we are doing now.
We'll do something.
Once we see evidence, we know that Lutana is correct.
Woke follow ife no one the makansi bitikenu jena Colombia ke piale kono ai men no follow ife no my men with the laugh for bitikenu we bunyekenu we bulikenu we.
Yes, what is this?
Someone brought this letter just now.
Someone?
Yes, ma'am.
He didn't disclose his identity?
No. He only said that the letter belongs to you. That I should give it to you.
It's okay. You may leave.
Mama Chioma. Who could have brought this letter?
Jojo, I need all of you in here now.
Darling, what do you want to do?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? You just made a call.
And I said it means nothing.
Yeah, boss.
Who amongst you received this letter?
I am the one, boss.
Jojo.
Yes, boss.
You know exactly what to do.
Onye chego no mwelonu aye Onye chego no pupodogu Ane kwekwa nene ifugo Ubiego no jikwanunku aye Everybody one rapper if we're gonna know I am nearly
Chijoke, I want to ask you, how much did Kenga give to you when I was in jail?
Kenga, your brother, did not give me any dime. I went to his house so many times. The last time I went there, he told me that I shouldn't come there again.
He didn't give you any money?
No dime.
But I know why I just asked this question.
But why is Kenga this wicked?
Kenga is very heartless. But I will tell him that he's playing with fire. But
Lota, do you have any evidence or any document that shows that you have been sending money to him?
That's the problem. I lost all the documents. When the cops came for raiding my house, they packed all my documents.
Hi.
That's the problem. If I have the document, will I be saying all these things? Or either I'm court. But I don't have the document, I lost it.
That's where we are having problem now. If not, we have a good case.
Yes, we're on the right track. The junction is ahead of us. We'll take left when we get there.
Man, we need to hasten up. There is no time.
No worry. Let's go.
Okay, this is the road, eh? Alright.
Yeah, take your left. Alright.
Have you forgotten? We've been wondering how Kenga made his money overnight.
Mbano, don't generalize. Eh? Say you, not we. For me, I know that Kenga has so much connections. And he may have made his money from those connections.
Yes, I know he has connections. But we also need to verify the other side of the story.
Look, there are no two sides to this story. Yes, Lotana is frustrated. All he needs to do is to humble himself. Apologize to Kenga. And Kenga will help him. Not all this gra-gra that he's doing.
You might be correct. But we still need to look at the other side. Let's verify very well.
It's okay, it's okay. But let's not allow this issue divert our attention from the main issue. You know now, you know what I'm talking about.
I understand.
So, when are we going to visit your Onowu?
Yes, we can visit Onowu tomorrow. I will inform Ezuko about it. I'll do that.
Tomorrow is good.
Yeah, I think it's better. So, let me be going now.
Go away.
Thanks a lot.
Greet your people, yeah?
Yeah, I will.
Thank you.
Who wrote that letter? For the last time, who wrote that letter?
I did.
You threatened to kill me, kill my wife, and kill yourself, is that correct?
Yes. And I mean every word of it.
You mean every word?
Every word of it.
Every word of it. You think you can kill me? Who thinks you can kill me? Peter thinks he can kill me. Mr. Peter thinks he can kill the most dreaded man in this community. Ubiego one. Turn around and look at me, Peter. I won't hurt you. I'll make you an offer. So you can leave my wife alone. I'll give you 5 million naira. Take it, leave town, and do not come here again.
Over my dead body. My wife is not for sale.
Shut that curtain, Okoli, your mouth. I am not your wife.
then be ready to face the dire consequences. Dire consequences!
You know, Peter, there is something about you that I like. You're brave. Very brave. But you are not smart, my friend. I'll give you 2 days. 2 days to go home and think about it. If after 2 days I do not hear from you, I will assume that you're not interested in my peace deal. It means you'll get ready to face Ubiego, one of our Meze kingdom.
I am not scared of you. I am ready to die for this cause. I am ready to take my wife away.
All right. Jojo, take this joker out of my sight.
Kenga! Choma! Choma! Kenga, you!
Boys to bring more bags of rice for you.
Listen, I want you to be careful. Peter is a very dangerous person.
Oh, Mama. Mama, you talk like you don't know who I'm married to. Peter. Who is Peter? Mama, I have told you to calm down. Peter is bygone. He's not an issue. Oh?
You know, I'm just talking as a concerned mother. Oh.
I know you are concerned. Just calm down. I don't know, Mama. It just feels like I'm forgetting something.
What is it? I hope all is well. What is that you're forgetting?
I'm just trying to remember.
What is it?
I remember, Mama. I don't know if I'm growing old now. This is for you. My husband said I should add it to the food items I brought.
Hey! Hey!
Obia.
Hey! 1, 2, 2 wraps. So what we're going to
Mama, it's for you.
May God bless you and your husband. Dikeh. And your children will do more for you.
Amen, Mama.
Hey! Peter! Let me see him here again if I don't cut off his head. Who will not like this? Okwa 1, Okwa 2.
Mama, you and this Peter, you are beginning to sound like something is tying you and Peter. When you're but I have told you to calm down. Peter is nobody. He won't do anything. Peter. Mama, people, how go to Peter? You are still talking about Peter. I need to go before my husband starts. And Mama, spend that money wisely. Small time now, you enter gold market.
Who doesn't like good things? Hey!
I'll see you next week.
Drive carefully. Hey! Okay. Arababu Peter. Nka. For grandfather, yeah? Arababu Peter. Look at me. Who doesn't like good things? There can be one of poverty like you. Look at what was he walked to the house. You go near Agog. God forbid. And that man will be my own. What is this?
Have you not heard that? There was a meeting held at the palace yesterday.
Meeting?
Yes.
What kind of meeting is that?
Ono held a meeting yesterday with some elders and delegates from Akama clan.
And where didn't he invite us?
I'm just coming from his place. And he said we are of the opposition party. That's why he didn't invite us.
Then did he tell you the outcome of the meeting?
He refused to tell me. But I suspect that they are planning to fix a date for the coronation. And it's official now that Okwoto is going to be our next Igwe.
Omeme, that won't happen in this community. Omeme, why would Ono have a meeting without inviting every member of the cabinet to the meeting? Mbano. Even that coronation, it will not happen.
So what do we do now? We need to act fast. We just need any way to stop their actions, all their plans and arrangements. Let's stop it immediately. That's what we need to do.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know, I am a lipo nati follow nego denati. I would go one over myself.
I heard about the meeting you held yesterday at the palace with some elders and delegates from Akama Kingdom.
What about it?
We need to talk.
Kenga, I don't have time for such discussion with you. Please, stop coming to my house because of this matter.
Excuse me. Are you referring to me? Moabu Biego and Keys is in Ameze. You're telling me to stop coming to your house, or no?
You heard all I said. Don't put words into my mouth. Excuse me.
Ono is threading on a keg of gunpowder. I will never allow him insult me and get away with it. Okwoto, or whatever they call him, will never be the king of this land. Never. Ono has perfected plans to crown Okwoto.
How did you know?
Ichie Nweze and Ichie Ezuko were here today. They told me about a meeting that was held at the palace yesterday. The people of Akama were there. I went to the Onowu's place to confront him about it. He insulted me and walked out at me.
Do you know who insulted you? Why?
Because he believes he can. But I'll show him that he can't. Nobody insults Ubiego and goes scot-free. Never.
reported such a case to you, what have you done up till now? What have you done as my uncle up till now? And you claim to be my uncle.
Lieutenant, just calm down, eh? Let's go inside.
Don't tell me go inside to do what? Go inside to do what? You think I don't know you are against me? I know you are against me. You might even poison me if I go inside there. You claim to be my uncle. No, you claim to be my uncle. My father would have sorted this case easily if he was still alive. Look at what you're doing.
Stop shouting at me. Eh? Why are you shouting at me? The other day I was holding a meeting here and you disrupted the meeting. You walked out on everybody and
why won't I walk away? When you were beating around the bush, where you will see the truth and you refuse to say it, why won't I walk away? Because the Kenga is giving you money.
Watch your tongue.
Because the Kenga is giving you money.
Watch your tongue, young man.
Okay, Arwana. Magao. I fable.
Moi.
But don't worry.
Okay, Arwana.
Don't worry. I have strategized all my plans. And by the time I strike, Magi, Mamado, Mwatagi na street, Mwagisi. I swear, Mwagisi.
Get out of my
Mwagisi.
Get out of my
compound. I don't know what you're doing.
I said get out of my compound.
I don't know what you're doing. So bad there now.
You're just raving.
He can need the guys.
Get out.
He can need the guys.
I'm trying to help you and you're misbehaving. Idiot.
Mfugi, Mwagisi. Don't say anything though. About that money.
You are calling me an evil elder. Hey, Igafu, you will suffer. I will. Anyway, no need. Idiot, come to my house, raving like a mad dog. Go punish you. I'm off here.
All I want to know, one man in my knowledge, I dress them on China, dress them on Indonesia. I come from Talecano, I men with a laugh of no. One man dress them na Colombia, dress them on Paraguay. One laugh from Talecano. Ubiana kotego nenoa Onye chego no mwelonu aye Onye chego no pupodogo Anekwe kwa nemene ifugo Ubiego no jipano mko Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know I am a lipo nati follow nego de nati I Ubiego wano na meze Ubiego buku dogo Ndozo na kutanu jinubi Iyele Mani Kenga bego kona kutanu biyao Omwele kodogu se meni feo Okwane kwane meme Ay Ubiego nenoa
So you see Okwoto Ekeneze.
Why did you send your boys after me?
You are in the home of Ubiana Kotego 1, and you're welcome. Easy. I brought you here for a friendly chat.
Oh, if that is true, tell your boys to untie me.
Emebe, Amalo Doku.
Kenga,
What do you want from Okwoto Ekeneze?
Tell Onowu that you are no longer interested in the kingship of this land. Name your price, and I will give it to you.
Kenga, that is impossible. You can't rob me of my rights.
Okwoto Ekeneze. I never expected you to come here, to come to my home and be stubborn. Be wise, young man. Look around you. You are in my home, the home of Ubiana Kotego One. It means that I can do anything to you right here and get away with it. Be wise. I'll give you enough money to take good care of yourself. Take it.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, Kenga. I don't need your money. I think you better go and settle with your brother, whom you duped of everything you had.
Watch your tongue, Okwoto. Watch your tongue. You are standing before Ubiana Kotego One. Watch your tongue. Think about what you can do with 10 million naira. Or even more. I'll give you 3 days to think about it. And get back to me.
Please, don't shoot! Don't shoot! Please, don't shoot!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Why are you screaming my name? Alueme. Ogini. Oh no, who is dead? I mean, stop that joke. I cannot know who be dead.
Joke what? Can I be joking with that? He was shot dead by an unknown person in his house.
Hey! How? Who could have done this?
That's the question everybody's asking.
Hey! This is unbelievable.
I'm afraid people have started pointing accusing fingers at Ubiego.
Mbano, stop that one. Ubiego cannot commit such an abominable act. It's not possible.
So you think?
Hey! Wait, who dead? Bia. Hey!
How was your day?
Fine.
I missed you too.
Where have you been?
Don't tell me you don't see the changes. I went to the salon.
Oh.
And then I went to see my mother afterwards.
Oh yes. How is she?
She's fine. She sends her regards. I'll just go upstairs and freshen up.
All right.
Have you heard?
Heard what?
Onowu is dead.
Oh no.
I'm telling you.
Dead.
Yes.
How?
He was shot by gunmen in his house.
How did you get the information?
I drove past his house on my way back. I saw people gathered there.
I didn't hear it.
It came as a shock to me too.
Hold on. Yeah, hello? What's going on? Wait, is it true?
The story making everywhere is that your brother Kenga killed Onowu.
I don't doubt it. I so believe it. Kenga I know can be so desperate to achieve whatever he wants. Take my own case for instance.
Yes. Everybody believes he killed Onowu.
He is going to face the judgment. My own judgment is on the way coming. He will not escape it.
But
never.
I wonder why he's struggling for the throne.
He wants to become king, so he can intimidate us the way he likes. Wisdom.
But what did he gain by killing Onowu?
Onowu was against his ambition. So he believes once he eliminates Onowu, other elders will be so easy to manipulate.
That's very bad of him. Do you think that Akama clan will allow him ascend the throne, even with or without Onowu's death?
There is nothing money cannot do. ibutike ego giga na emelu gi fike. You get your money. When your money has no shame, when ego giga na emelu gi fifele. You get?
Yeah.
Now, Onowu was the strong obstacle he had. Now, okay, Figo. So it looks like he's about to achieve what he's looking for. Monagewante.
You are right. If he claims he's innocent, he will have to swear before our deity. And you know our deity is one of the most dreaded deity in this part of the world.
Monagante. Deity or no deity, Kenga, you need the guys. Ngabwe na ko megwu mmili. Omegwu oku. Omegwu oku. Yagwu ko le wire.
I believe you. I believe you. His end is near.
Mama, I'm telling you, he just came to my husband's house and started vomiting all sorts of rubbish. What did he say? Saying that my husband will die untimely, that he has met his end. That my husband will pay for killing Onowu and seizing his money. Like one Lotana.
Hey. Joma.
Mama.
Have you asked your husband if he has a hand in the death of Onowu?
Mama. Here. I don't understand you. Why would you even ask such question? The most annoying part is that I don't even like the tone in the question. You're beginning to sound like you're suspecting my husband too.
No, it hasn't come to that. It is not a matter of whether I am suspecting your husband or not. All I said is you should find out the truth from him. Whether
I am still saying I don't like the tone. I don't. Why would my husband even kill Onowu? Why?
Osebepero, we are not fighting here. All I said is you ask your husband to tell you the truth.
I have asked him, Mama, and he is innocent. He is.
No problem.
They only just asked him to swear before the deity and he has accepted to do it.
You see? You see why I say you should ask him well? Because our deity kills instantly.
Barnabas. Okay, no. Let us stop this while there is say time. Ezuko, what are you trying to say? What I'm saying is that let us stop Ubiego from taking the oath. He will die. Obakis instantly, or dear Mabel. What if he is truly innocent? Huh? You and I know that he's not innocent. He killed Onowu so that he will stop him from crowning Okwoto our king. Huh? Well, you and I do not know. Maybe you know. Huh? Because you were there the other day when he affirmed that he doesn't have hand in the death of Onowu. So why you say you and I know? How? Forget that. Who knows if he was telling us the truth then? Huh? Who knows? Who could have done this if not him? All fingers are pointing at him. You are only assuming. You are assuming. So not until he takes the oath, we cannot confirm whether he did it or not. I mean, we have to allow him take the oath so that we can confirm whether he did it or not. So if you stop him now, how do we know who did it? Huh? It's also possible that he's telling us the truth.
Onye jeko no pupodogo.
What is it? What is it?
I hit my foot there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry, boss. Sorry, boss.
You'll be fine.
It's okay, I'm fine.
All right.
I have to go now.
Go well. I know you're innocent. You'll be fine.
I'm not afraid.
Everybody one rapper. If we're gonna know, I am a liponati follow nego denadi. I Ubiego one na mesa. Ubiego buku dogo. Ndazo na kutano jinubi iele. Nani Kenga bego kona kutano biyao. Omwele kodogu se meni feo. Okwane kwane meme. Ay. Ay.
Where is my in-law? Has my daughter been found?
Not yet, ma.
I need to see my in-law. Let me know what is going on.
I'm sorry, ma. You cannot see him at the moment.
Did you just hear what I said?
I heard you.
I said I am his in-law. Mother to his wife, Chioma.
What is going on?
Please tell him I want to see him.
I know. She said she wants to see boss. And I told her she cannot see him at the moment.
Madam, please go and come back later, okay? I say go and come back later. Madam, please. You cannot stay here, please.
And I said no.
I said go and come back later, please.
I said no.
Madam, please go.
I am not going anywhere. We are talking about my missing daughter. You want me to go and come back later? And I said no.
Madam, please, he cannot stay here.
Why? I'm not going anywhere. Come and carry me. Is it because of me you are wearing this thing? I want to see my baby. I'm talking about my daughter.